A quick 5% fee can unlock hundreds of dollars in an instant for some. The Cash App Borrow feature provides this potential for many users. This specific service allows qualified individuals to receive a small loan directly through their Cash App account. It is not available to everyone. Eligibility is a crucial factor. Users must first be at least 18 years old. This age requirement is standard across most financial applications. You also need a verified Cash App account. Verification usually involves providing personal details. This can include your full legal name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number. Sometimes it requires a full social security number, a state identification card, or driver's license might also be needed for full verification. These steps are put in place for security reasons. They help prevent fraud. Millions of transactions occur daily, so security is a top priority. One key aspect of unlocking this feature involves direct deposits. Cash App often looks for consistent direct deposit activity. It is not just about having any direct deposit. The system typically favors users who receive regular paychecks or government benefits. An approximate threshold often mentioned is at least $100 in direct deposits each month. This must usually happen for several consecutive months. Some reports suggest a minimum of 3 consecutive months of direct deposits. Others indicate 6 months of consistent deposits. This shows financial stability to the algorithms. The total amount of direct deposits can also influence eligibility. Receiving $500 each month might be seen more favorably than $100. The overall history of your account matters too. An account that is several months old or even a year old stands a better chance. A brand new account opened just last week might not qualify. The Borrow feature offers loan amounts ranging from $20 to $200. These are typically in increments of $25. So you might see options for $25, $50, 75, $100, $100, $25, $100, $50, $175, or the maximum $200. The specific amount you can borrow depends entirely on your individual eligibility. It is based on your account activity and history. Many users start with smaller loan offers. Over time, if they repay consistently, larger amounts might become available. This progression is common with many short-term lending platforms. The repayment terms are straightforward. The loan must be repaid within 4 weeks. This is 28 days. A flat 5% fee is added to the borrowed amount. For example, if you borrow $100, you would owe $105 back. If you borrow $50, you would owe $52.50. This fee is calculated upfront. There are no hidden charges usually. It is important to pay back the loan on time. Cash App often provides a grace period. This grace period can be up to 7 days. During this time, there might not be additional fees, but after the grace period, additional charges could apply. Or more commonly, future borrowing privileges are immediately suspended. To check if you are eligible, you simply open your Cash App, you navigate to the banking tab. This is usually represented by a house icon. Then you look for the borrow option. If it is not there, you are likely not eligible at that specific moment. The feature is not universally rolled out. It is still in a limited availability phase for some users. It is an invitation-based system in many ways. Cash App decides who gets access based on internal algorithms. These algorithms analyze hundreds of data points. They review your transaction history. They look at your overall spending habits. They check your consistent use of the app. Sending money to friends or making payments with your Cash App card helps. Using the Cash App card for 10 or more transactions in a month can positively impact your eligibility. Maintaining a positive balance in your account also sends good signals. Non-repayment has consequences. If you do not repay your loan on time, your ability to use the Borrow feature will be immediately revoked. You might also face restrictions on other Cash App functionalities. This could include limitations on sending or receiving funds. While it might not directly impact your traditional credit score initially, it definitely affects your standing within the Cash App ecosystem. Future opportunities to borrow money from Cash App would be highly unlikely. The company wants to ensure responsible lending and borrowing. So it uses these internal metrics to manage risk. An estimated 70 million monthly active users rely on Cash App. Maintaining trust and responsible financial behavior is important for such a large user base. Many people are looking for ways to access small amounts of money quickly. The Borrow feature meets this demand. It provides a convenient option when unexpected expenses arise. For someone needing $25 to cover a gas bill until payday, it can be a significant help. Or for $100 to fix a minor car issue, the speed of access is a major draw. Funds are typically available within minutes once approved. This is much faster than traditional bank loan applications. Those can take days or even weeks to process. The Borrow feature is still evolving. Cash App continues to refine its eligibility criteria and expand its availability. It is not currently available in every single state. Some states may have different regulations regarding these types of small loans. Users in New York, for example, might have different experiences than users in Texas. It is estimated that a significant portion of Cash App's user base in eligible states has access to this feature. Around 40% of users who meet the basic criteria eventually see the borrow option. This is based on internal projections. The total amount loaned through the borrow feature has reached hundreds of millions of dollars annually. Over several years, this cumulative figure could reach into the billions. This highlights the substantial impact of such microlending services. To improve your chances, keep using Cash App regularly. Make it your primary financial tool for smaller transactions. Receive your paychecks via direct deposit into your Cash App account. Pay your bills using the Cash App card. Maintain a good balance. Do not let your account balance drop to zero frequently. All these actions contribute to a stronger financial profile within the app, and they increase your likelihood of seeing that crucial borrow option appear. It is not a guaranteed benefit, it is an earned privilege, one that many users value greatly.